Hey there, welcome to our quick and easy guide on creating your own email account in cPanel. In just a few minutes, we will see how it's done. First things first, enter your email and password to log into your cPanel and click on Login. Now you'll find yourself on the cPanel dashboard. Let's head straight to the email section and click on Email Accounts to get the ball rolling. Just look out for the Create button. Click on this button to kickstart the journey of crafting your very own email account. Enter your username or email ID you want to create, and then enter your password, or you can also select Generate Password, which will automatically generate strong password. Then click on Edit Settings and Optional Setting if you wanted to increase email storage. If it's done, click on Create button. Boom! Your email account is now up and running, ready for action. You can manage your storage, check your emails, and explore more. Click on Check Email. You have successfully logged into your webmail. Now click on Round Cube, or you can click on Open to open your email. Now, you can access your new email inbox using your preferred email ID. It's that easy. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for even more awesome tutorials.